Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to focus on SAT math questions. Let's start with the first question. If f of x is equal to x plus 7 and g of x is equal to 7x, what is the value of 4f2 minus g of 2? The value of f2 can be found by substituting 2 for x in the given equation f of x equal to x plus 7, which yields ff2 is equal to 2 plus 7, or f of 2 is equal to 9. The value of g of 2 can be found by substituting 2 for x in the given equation g of x equal to 7x, which yields g of 2 is equal to 7 times 2 is equal to 14. The value of expression for f2 minus g of 2 can be found by substituting the corresponding values into the expression, which gives 4 times 9 minus 14. This expression is equivalent to 36 minus 14, which is equal to 22. So the correct choice is C. C is correct. Now let's go to the next question. Question 2. The y-intercept of the graph of y equal to minus 6x minus 32 in the xy plane is 0y. What is the value of y? It's given that the y-intercept of the graph of y equal to minus 6x minus 32 is 0y. Substituting 0 for x in this equation yields y is equal to minus 6 times 0 minus 32, or y is equal to minus 32. Therefore, the value of y that corresponds to the y-intercept of the graph of y equal to negative 6x minus negative 32 in the xy plane is negative 32. That's the answer. Now let's go to the next question. Question 3. Y is less than minus 4x plus 4. Which point xy is a solution to the given inequality in the xy plane? For a point xy, to be a solution to the given inequality in the xy plane, the value of the point's y coordinate must be less than the value of minus 4x plus 4. where x is the value of the x-coordinate of the point. This is true of the point -4, 0, because 0 is less than -4 times -4 plus 4, or 0 is less than 20. Therefore, the point -4, 0 is a solution to the given inequality. So the choice D is correct. Now let's go to the next question. Question 4. Figure A and B are both regular polygons. The sum of the perimeter of figure A and the perimeter of figure B is 63 inches. The equation 3x plus 6y equal to 63 represents this situation, where x is the number of sides of figure A and y is the number of sides of figure B. Which statement is the best interpretation of 6 in this context? A. Each side of B has a length of 6 inches. B. The number of sides of figure B is 6. C. Each side of figure A has a length of 6 inches. D. The number of sides of figure A is 6. It's given that figure A and figure B, not shown, are both regular polygons and the sum of the perimeters of the two figures is 63 inches. It's also given 63 inches here in the question. It's also given that x is the number of sides of figure A and y is the number of sides of figure B, and that the equation 3x plus 6y equal to 63 represents this situation. Thus 3x and 6y represent perimeters in inches of figure A and figure B respectively. Since 6y represents the perimeter in inches of figure B and y is the number of sides of B, it follows that each side of figure B has a length of 6 inches. So choice A is correct. Each side of B has a length of 6 inches. Now let's go to the next question. Question 5. G of x is equal to x squared plus 55. What is the minimum value of the given function? A quadratic function in the form of g of x equal a times x minus h squared plus k, where a, h, and k are constants. Has a minimum value of k at x equal to h. Has a minimum value of at x equal to h. When a is greater than 0. The given quadratic function can be rewritten as g of x is equal to 1 times x minus 0 square plus 55, where h equals 0 and k equal to 55. This is h, this is k. Therefore, the minimum value of the given function is 55. So choice C is correct. Now let's go to the next question. Question 6. The function h is defined by h of x equal a to the power of x plus b, where a and b are positive constants. The graph of y equal h of x in the xy plane passes through the points 0, 10 and -2, 325 over 36. What is the value of a times b? It is given that the function h is defined by h of x. Let me change the color. H of x is equal to a to the power of x plus b. And that the graph of y equal to h of x in the xy plane passes through the points 0, 10 and -2, 325 over 36. Substituting 0 for x and 10 for h of x in the equation, h of x equal a to the power of x plus b yields 10 is equal to a to the power of 0 plus b, or 10 is equal to 1 plus b. Subtracting 1 from both sides of this equation yields b is equal to 9. Substituting -2 for x and 325 over 36 for h of x in the equation, h of x equal a to the power of x plus 9 yields 325 over 36 is equal to a to the power of -2 plus 9, because b is equal to 9. The value of b is 9. Subtracting 9 from both sides of this equation yields 1 over 36 is equal to a to the power of -2, which can be rewritten as 1 over 36 is equal to 1 over a square, or a square is equal to 36, which implies that a is equal to 6. Then we can easily calculate the value of a times b. Then a times b is equal to 6 times 9, which is equal to 54. That's the answer. So choice C is correct. Now let's go to the next question. Question 7. X minus 1 square is equal to minus 4. How many distinct real solutions, be careful, real solutions does the given equation have? Any quantity that is positive or negative in value has a positive value when squared. Therefore, the left-hand side of the given equation is either positive or 0 for any value of x. Since the right-hand side of the given equation is negative, there is no value of x for which the given equation is true. Thus, the number of distinct real solutions for the given equation is 0. I mean, x minus 1 square is equal to negative 4. If you take the square root of both sides, square root of x minus 1 square equal to square root of minus 4. This is meaningless, which is undefined. It cannot be a real number, but it's a complex number. So the choice D is correct.